Hey guys, how's it going? Today we're going to finish up your automation in Active Campaign.
Alright guys, I just want to add this quick video. After you had hit next on the previous screen to this, where you created your email that the buyer is going to get along with the list of properties, you'd hit next, you'd get to this page. And what this page does, kind of cool, it validates the sendability of what you've put together, and it basically is telling you that it passed the spam check. Sometimes if you have a lot of symbols or capital letters or whatever in your subject, it will deem your email a little spammy and it won't necessarily deliver the best. So Active Campaign will spam check that and it's showing that it passed, so that's great. If you want to test your email, you can either do a preview or you can actually send a test. So you put your email in here and say send test, and then you will get the email that you are sending out to your buyers, and that way you can validate that the list looks good, the email looks good, all of that. So we're not necessarily going to do that. I've done this enough times to know that this should be solid, but if you want to, feel free to do so. But we're done here, so we'll hit finish, and then takes us back to our automation. We're going to go ahead and name this automation St. Francis Renter. Hit save, and that is all we have to do here. The other piece that I just want to make mention of is the way to look at this automation is basically the buyer submits a form and they get an email. You can actually add other pieces to this automation if you want. For now, don't worry about it, but in the future you could add like an SMS, so that way either the buyer would get a text message after the email was sent, or yourself, the realtor, would get a text message letting you know that you have a prospective lead. You can send an email to yourself. You can do a variety of things at the end of the day. So I just want to make sure that you know that. And then and you also want to make it active. So I think that's probably more important than what I was just talking about. So you want to hit active here, and your automation is now ready to rock and roll. So I will see you in the next video.